Hey there, welcome to another video where we tackle a common tech problem that many of us have faced at some point. So here's the deal. A parent reached out for help with their kiddo's iMac, a mid-2011 model that hit a snag after a factory reset. The issue arose when trying to reinstall the operating system, with the device now stuck wanting to reinstall Lion, but encountering a roadblock with downloading additional components. Frustrating, right? The parent tried various avenues, even creating a bootable drive on a Windows PC, but to no avail. The clock is ticking, and the kiddo needs their iMac back up and running for homeschooling. Let's see how we can solve this problem together. Now let's talk about the solution to this tricky situation. One approach could be to install an older version of macOS on the iMac, and then upgrade to High Sierra. The key step here is using the Install macOS High Sierra application. You can access this application by using a specific URL link, which you can find in the description below. This link will take you to the App Store, where you can download the necessary software to upgrade to High Sierra. Remember, sometimes the solution to a tech problem is just a few steps away. Let's move on to the next part of the solution. In summary, we've covered a potential solution to help get that iMac back on track for the young homeschooler. By following the steps outlined, from creating a bootable installer to using the Install macOS High Sierra application, you can navigate through this problem with a bit of tech savvy. Remember, tech hiccups happen to the best of us, but with a little perseverance, we can find our way back to smooth sailing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, and drop a comment below. Until next time, happy tech troubleshooting.